Welcome back to the channel. Tonight's video is about our trip from Heathrow Terminal 2 to Beijing in China. That was painless. Pretty good, all checked in. Now it's through security and we're on the way. Terminal 2. So today I'm going to China. Flying from Heathrow Terminal 2, going to Beijing. Checked through, baggage done, tickets got, passport checked, and now we're waiting. So just spoke to two guys, asked me if I was vlogging, which was nice. So yeah, we got to wait 3 hours, so 2.5 hours now for the plane. 777 Air China going to Beijing. So this is our plane. Operating today's flight is the B7973, a Boeing 777-300ER, joined Air China's fleet in late 2016. For a long-haul wide-bodied jet, this 777 has had a few extra seats crammed in, I think. You can see the legroom is very, very poor, and the entertainment system is pretty old. Scheduled to depart at 2025, departing to the west of London. The weather was overcast, but it was a warm summer's evening. Scheduled flight time was 9 hours 35. Pushback was at approximately 20:45, taxiing out to the runway. Lift off and wheels up was at about just after 2100. When I'm flying long haul to the east, and I do fly to the Asian countries a lot, I always make sure I don't sleep the night before a flight. This means I usually get around 6 to 8 hours sleep and arrive fresh and suffer no jet lag. This particular 777 is just under 9 years old, powered by two giant GE90 engines. The aircraft carries around 340 passengers in a 3-class layout, first, business and economy. And the 777-300ER is Air China's backbone for long-haul routes. Air China also has 15 Airbus A350-900s, so I look forward to flying on one of those very soon. They also have the Airbus A330-300, the Airbus A321neo, the Boeing 737-800, and their Freightliners are the Boeing 747-400F and the Boeing 777. Continuing our descent into Beijing on a very damp and overcast afternoon, arriving through the low cloud, but the touchdown was textbook. The food was okay, a Chinese menu which I enjoyed, and the staff were very welcoming. All in all, a good flight. The flight was uneventful, and to be fair, a little uncomfortable given the legroom and the tiredness of the plane itself. On my next flight, Beijing to Hong Kong, on the A321neo, you'll see the legroom was much more generous. Our touchdown time into Beijing was 13:35 local time. Arrived in Beijing. going to transfer now of a few hours before we go to Hong Kong.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.